So good evening everyone. For this video, the first part is we're gonna go to construction line. Gonna draw a horizontal and vertical line. And after we draw a horizontal and vertical line, we make a circle with a diameter of 3.333. And the next one is we're gonna draw a circle again with a radius of 1.5. The next one, you're gonna draw a circle with the diameter of 2.571. Next one is you're gonna draw an offset line with 0.047 in the horizontal line. Next one, you're gonna offset again it with 0.130. And next one, you're gonna offset the vertical line which has the measurement of 0.107. And next, you're gonna trim. You're gonna use the trim tool. You're gonna trim the excess parts that the circle or the object has made. And next, we're gonna use the array, the polar array. We're gonna have 18 items or parts to draw. We're gonna check or uncheck the associative button. And next is we're gonna use arc. After the arc, we're gonna trim the excess part of the circle. So next we erase the excess lines, and we're gonna fillet it with the radius of 0.0621 0.62. And next is we're gonna erase it multiple. Gonna erase it, select, and we're gonna polar array again with 18 parts. We're gonna blend the curves. We're gonna use the blend curves tool to make it connected with the other part. And next is we're gonna make it a polyline, and we're gonna do it again the polar array tool, which we're gonna draw 18 parts again. Next is we're gonna draw a circle with a diameter of 0.5. Next is the 0.5, again the circle, and lastly 1 radius circle. Next is we're gonna use the rectangle tool for the last part with the measurement of at 0.12 and 0.06. Next is we're gonna erase the circle, and that's it. We have it all. Thank you for listening. Next, so we're gonna go to the next part. So the next part will be the part 2 of the activity number 3. We're gonna first draw a circle with the radius of 10, and the next is you're gonna draw again a circle with a radius of 7. After you draw a radius with the 7, you're gonna draw again the circle with a radius of 5. After you draw a radius of 5 with the circle, you're gonna draw a circle with a radius of 3 and 2. So after we're gonna draw it, we're gonna draw a line which we're gonna type it with the greater than 60 to make a angle of 60 degrees. So after we draw it, we're gonna mirror it. So after we mirror it, we're gonna click the circle with 2 point in the circle. We're gonna click the 2 point. So After that, you're gonna click the center radius. So after we click the center radius, we're gonna go to the quadrant. We're gonna click the quadrant to know which one we're gonna draw. So after we draw it, we're gonna put a circle with the measurement of 1.6 and trim. We're gonna trim all the parts, all the excess part, and we're gonna use the polar array to to mirror all the subject, and we're gonna trim it one by one, and we're gonna draw again a line with a 30-degree and a line with a 40-degree, and we're gonna trim it again, the excess line of 30-degree and 40-degree, and we're gonna pull our array tool again with 3 objects. So after we trim it, we're gonna draw a circle which has the 6 radius, and a circle with the 1 radius. And after that, we're gonna use the polar array who will have 12 counts, and make sure that you're gonna uncheck the associative button. So after that, we're gonna delete the excess circles and the excess parts of the circle. So after that, we're gonna erase. After we erase it, that's it. We have the main output, which is the part 2 of activity number 3, and that's all. It is the end of the topic. So thank you for listening.